From this exercise 5.4 is what if two dice are rolled, find probability of the events. Three events are given. Now if two dice are rolled, I have written the sample space and number of sample points already because it takes uh, sometimes some time for writing. Now the word probability is once again coming. It will come in all questions of this exercise. Now first event is what? Event A. Event A, the question is given the sum. Sum means what? Addition. I have explained you. Sum means what? Addition. Sum of the digits of upper face is at least 10. Now word at least also coming. Now we have to take all, consider addition or sums of these two numbers 10 and bigger than 10 also. Now like this number we have to find. First column will see 1 plus 1 2. It is not asked. They have asked at least 10 and above. Now first column it is not, second column it is also not there. Fourth column 5 plus 3 6 plus 3 9. Now in fourth column we get 6 comma 4. Now fifth column we see 5 5 5 5 means what? 5 comma 5 means what? 5 plus 5 10. Now sixth column is also having 4 comma 6. 4 comma 6 means what? 4 plus 6 10. Now another, we have to consider more than 10 also. That's why we can consider 6 5 5 6 and also 6 6. Now these many events should be considered in question A. N of A, therefore n of A 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. That's why probability of A, P of A is equal to n of A divided by n of S. That is 6 upon 36. 6 1 the 6, 6 6 the 36. That's why answer is what? 1 upon 6. Now event B or second question is given like this. All these words are same, that's why I have written like this. The sum of digits of upper face is 33. Now I have explained you, dear students, just carefully observe the questions and try to understand what is asked in the question. Now they have given the sum of digit or upper face is 33. Now sum means what? Addition of two numbers. We don't want the sub multiplication of these numbers, we want addition only. Now greater number among these all 36 events are 6 and 6. That means if we add this greater number, 6 plus 6 is 12, 33 is not possible. Because of this, B will write empty in curly brackets and n of B should be 0. Therefore P of B is equal to n of B divided by n of S, 0 upon 36, that is 0. Now C, question third, C the event, the digit on first die is greater than the digit of second die. Now dear student, we have to find among these 36 events, first die should be what? First column. Now they ask first number or first digit of first die should be greater than second. Now this column is second column. Now we have to consider first this. Now 2 comma 1 because first die is greater than second. 3 1 4 1 5 1 and 6 1. Now first column is finished. Now 2 2 we don't want. 3 2 will be right. 4 2 because 4 is greater than 2. 5 2 6 2. Third column 4 3 5 3 6 3. Understand? Now fourth column 5 4 6 4. Fifth column 6 5 and sixth column we can't take because all these numbers are smaller than 6. Now we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now n of C is what? 15. Therefore, finding probability of C, PC is equal to n of C divided by n of S. N of C is what? 15 upon 36. We can divide this number by 3. 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. That's why answer will be 5 upon